Our both team, check your first five.
Let's go guys, CBL Minions category season 8. Ang ating opening game, Alriga Boys versus Sabena Aircraft Mechanics.
Mer, dyan na kami lalaro.
Magandang bakbakan to. Shout out sa ating mga viewers.
Both team with that. Number 24, jersey number 21.
Hi bro.
Hey bro.
Yeah, how you doing?
You know the guy called Oli?
Me?
You?
Yeah.
How are you?
But the problem is, the game finished already. This is league.
The league?
Yeah, just come tomorrow like 5:30 starting.
Really? So I mean like after the league,
Yeah.
is there
Nothing.
people that play?
Finish.
Finish?
Yeah. Tomorrow.
No good.
Yeah, you're late already.
Which time end?
From 5:30 to 9 p.m.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So jersey number 24. Team jersey number 7. That's the jersey number 48.
This Philippine league.
Yeah, Philippines.
And there is no age limit.
No age limit. Yeah, only height. Have height limit.
Height limit?
Yeah, 5'8".
5'8".
Yeah, 5'8" maximum.
5 years maximum.
Oh. But you.
I want to join, man.
I cannot join the league.
Bola.
You're so tall.
Bola pa rin ang Sabina. 14 shot clock. 14. Jersey number 48 for June.
Score natin, 0-2.
This guy he told me to come here.
Oh,
There's a whistle, traveling violation.
This guy?
The ref, yeah.
In the middle?
Ring the
Yeah, in the
kick.
middle.
This guy? What's the name? Yeah, I know this guy. It's a trainer from boxing.
Boxing?
Yeah.
Nasa sa gitna, pull up, no good. Rebound by Pangilinan. Pangilinan ngayon, bilis.
Pangilinan.
Jersey number 75.
Palmer.
Nice pass.
Yes,
Connected
sir.
2-point jersey number 75. 0-2.
Number 7.
Pass to Arroyo. Traveling by
Traveling.
by Arroyo. Hakbang. Traveling. Marina.
Is there some courts here nearby?
Setting play.
I was there now.
Algorithm Center.
Upstairs.
Nothing.
There was too much people.
But have half court.
By jersey number 11.
Yeah, but too much people. Have also league.
They have league also.
You have league. Just other place very far. Yeah, very far, very far.
Why you shy?
Far away.
Connected 2 points by
Yeah,
Arroyo.
much better come tomorrow, no problem. Ajman.
1 point lead by Arroyo.
Oh.
He has program also. He has to train every day. He cannot simply
Where are you from?
from Syria.
Syria. Okay. But we don't have nearby basketball court. You can go Satwa. Satwa Park.
Why?
Yeah, here, just Satwa Park. Inside.
But they are now open or they?
Yeah, open. But I don't know if now no more people. It's too much maybe.
14
Yeah,
shot
just
clock.
try. Just go, Satwa. Satwa Park.
Jersey number 48 for 3. Good. Rebound by jersey number 7.
Okay,
Pass to
shukran.
Pangilinan.
Shukran, Katir.
Bitaw bola. Nice pass. Grabe, jelly pass. Pass to jersey number 9. Connect for 2 points.
Chumiko.
Jersey number 8. There's the whistle who's fouled. Jersey number 11. Pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throw. For jersey number 8. Yan ang free throw. Rebounds. Connect for
Score natin 7-4 in favor of Alriga.
Jumpers winning. No good. Rebound by jersey number 11. That's to Pangilinan. Pangilinan. There's a whistle who's fouled. Jersey number 48. First personal foul, first team foul, 14 shot clock. Jersey number 11. Pino ba? Wala. Good. As we play to jersey number 48, pero di niya na-recover. Wala ng Ariga. Official score 7-5, 2-point lead by Ariga.
Palmer. Abando.
Good 24. Banton, no good. Arroyo ngayon. Bye.
Arroyo. Napilit.
Time out by Ariga. Official score 7-0.
All 7.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Ariga ball. Back to the ball game.
Chumiko.
Number 9.
To Palmer. Stick back. Tumira ng 3. Bam!
Grabe yun. Side corner 3.
10-7.
Hirap na.
Moreno. Nakalusot. Malakas.
Malakas. Defensive rebound. Pero
Jump ball.
Bola na sa team. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 8.
Lumabas.
Napunta ang bola kay Pangilinan. Pass break play to jersey number 75. Leg for 2. Jersey number 75. Official score. 12-7. 5-0 run doon para sa Arriga team. Still by Pangilinan. Time out by Sabina. Official score 14-7. 7 nating run doon para sa Arriga team. Gandang time out. Go back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
There's a whistle who's fouled. Jersey number 8. Ng Arriga. First personal foul, second team foul.
Number 24! Sa kanya pa rin yung bola. Traveling.
Violation. Jersey number 11. Bola pa rin sa Sabina. 14 shot clock. Time to shoot. So, kabila yun. Connect for 2 points.
2 points. Nangalabaw na si number 12.
Laro yung ba? Jersey number 12. There's a whistle who's foul. Jersey number 8. Yung 08. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Manlolo. So Palmer. Kay Toto.
Jersey
Tumira ng
number
3.
10. Side
Nagpakita
corner.
na.
Grabe yan ang Team Arriga. Puro sa
Araw-araw dito yan.
2 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 shot clock. Binaw ng bola. Napunta kay jersey number 11. Pass will play to jersey number 75.
Palmer.
Red ball lang tayo. Official score. 19-9. 10-point lead. Good. Good yan. Jersey number 12.
Hoy, nakawala.
11-19. Official score. 2 minutes. Sabrep.
Score natin 19-11.
Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 0. 14 shot.
Malapay. Malapay. Ay, carrying the ball. Double dribble.
For jersey number 24. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Pangilinan. Lumabas ang bola. Nabitawan. Jersey number 24.
May agaw tayo.
Pass the play to
Boy,
jersey number
lechon!
0.
Ako, majit lag pa to.
Follow up.
Bote na si Pangilinan.
Pangilinan. Net for 2. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Still by jersey number 9 to Pangilinan. Net for 2
Sigurado.
points. 23-11. 1 minute remaining. 55 seconds.
Ay, nakalusot.
Mabiling violation.
Traveling.
Sabrep. 30 seconds.
Yun, yun.
35 seconds.
Pulyado.
30.
Colyado to Morales. Pull up.
14 shot clock.
Wala.
25. 20-second. Follow up.
May foul.
Subiso is foul. Jersey number 9. Pangilinan. Dalawang free throw na lang. Wala na, oras.
End of the first quarter.
End of the first quarter. Dalawang free throw sa jersey number 21. Ano free throw? Wala.
Second throw.
Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Wala.
Yan, score natin sa ating first quarter, 11-23. 12-point lead ang habulin ngayon ng Sabena Mechanics.
Let's be in the second quarter. Arriga ball. Arriga, wala. Depensa kayo sa pina. Arriga ball.
Hindi ko alam eh. Sinali lang ako eh.
Second quarter. Colyado, naipit si Colyado. Traveling violation.
Nice one, Rep.
Traveling violation.
Parata ka, parata. Ay, Jollibee. Parata lang. Jollibee.
Number 7.
Foul, jersey number 8.
Colyado.
25. First personal fouls. First team foul. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 7. Nalayo yung pasa. Wala ng Arriga.
Pinakawalan dalaman.
Colyado! Nakalo sa Colyado.
2 point. Jersey number 25. 25-11. 14-point lead by Arriga. There's a foul.
Number 25.
Jersey
Pushing
number
foul.
25, pushing foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. 14 shot clock.
Wala.
10 to shoot.
Ay, may
There's
foul.
a foul again. This foul, jersey number 25.
Sunod-sunod yung foul.
Sabre.
Na foul trouble si number 25.
Ano free throw? There's number 8.
So, number 8. First free throw pumasok.
Jumpers ready. Number 2 by jersey number 8. Relax lang, both team. Laro lang. Sub rep, sub. Dito sa Sabina. Back to the ball game.
Morales to Palmer. Boy, Lichon!
0-0. Good yun sa kabila yun.
Arroyo, the veterans.
Arroyo, block by jersey number 75. Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number
Chumiko, back pass to Manlolo.
9. To jersey number 8, connect for 2 point.
Foul.
To foul, jersey number 9. Sabrep. Warning for penalty ang Enriga. Jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8.
Muntikan pa.
Pass to jersey number 9, 09.
Oy!
Wala.
Nasalo.
Pasang-pasa. Jersey number 9. Para kay jersey Sabret.
Back to the breaking.
Jersey number 24 for
3 points! Number 24.
Number 9.
Chumiko. Manlolo.
Jersey number 8.
Pinalikan
14 shot clock.
Tumira ng
Jersey
3.
number 9 for 3. Lumabas. Defensive rebound by jersey number 9. No good. Pass back to jersey number 9 for 2.
Oy!
Second for 2 point. Jersey number 9.
29-16.
Sabret, sub.
Wala.
14 shot clock. 14.
Number 77. Layup. But there's a foul.
Jersey number 24. Short.
Number 29.
Sabret.
Personal foul. First team foul. First strike.
Pangilinan niya yan.
Pangilinan. Oy!
Pass.
Nakita yung pasa.
Second
May
time.
Enriga.
Number 9. Setting the play.
Jersey number 8.
Number 29.
Pass to Pangilinan.
Selection.
Back to jersey number 8. Nice fake.
Oy!
And one. This foul.
Manlolo.
Jersey number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. Jumpers Brady.
Number 9. Setting the play. Pass to number 29. Slash.
Wala. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 27. Still. Pero nandun si jersey number 24. Pass si jersey number 00. Connect for 2 point. Jersey number 00. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 31-18. 13-point lead. Follow up. Sabret.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 58 seconds sa ating second quarter. 31-18.
Jersey number 24. Kumusta? Pull up. No good. Rebound by Amato. Jersey number 24. Number 24 to
Balo
Pangilinan.
to Pangilinan.
2 point by jersey number 9. Pangilinan. Grabe yun.
There's a foul.
Jersey number 27. To Arroyo. By jersey number 8. Connect for 2 point. Jersey number 8.
Ganda ng palot.
Foul.
3 minutes and 25 seconds. Remaining for the second quarter.
Personal foul.
Teriyong Barsha, shout out.
Jersey number 11.
Chucky Tabanaw,
Jersey
shout
number
out.
9. Pangilinan.
Personal foul.
Pull up. And one. Who's foul rep?
Personal foul.
Jersey number 8. Sabret.
Chucky Tabanaw, shout out.
Second personal foul, jersey number 8. And second team foul. Bonus shot. First reading.
Number 0.
Connect. Leto yun, 36-20. 16-point lead by Arriga. Jersey number 27. Wala. Defense, pero nakasunod doon yung jersey number 9. Mura pa rin ng Sabina.
Number 8, Silva.
Ang ganda ng pasa.
And
May foul.
Wala pa. Lumabas ang bola. Who's foul? Jersey number 22. Sabret.
Pass to number 29.
Penalty na doon ang Arriga.
Warning, delay the game. Number 29.
Wala. Unang free throw ni jersey number 21.
Here we go.
Walang free throw, wala pa rin. Big rebound by jersey number 25. Pass to Pangilinan. To jersey number 11 for 3. Grabe doon.
Pangalawang 3
Wala pang
points.
mintis doon si jersey number 11 sa corner 3. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Bola ng Alriga. Pangilinan. Third drop, no good. Sa kanya pa rin ang offensive rebound. Pass to jersey number 11. Sumubo pa rin ng 3. Malakas. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining.
1 minute and 30 sa ating second quarter. Moreno.
14 shot clock.
Yes, sir!
Great.
Ganda naman nun.
For 2.
17 points. Ang ganda
Nice
naman ng
pass
pasok.
na rin pero wala. Lumabas ang bola. Rebound by jersey number 21.
Moreno, nagmamadali si Moreno.
15 seconds.
Nagmadali si Moreno, nasundot. Sayang.
Nasundot doon ni Pangilinan. Pangilinan yun. Bola pa rin na Alriga. So time out. Time out by Alriga. Lapit po ako mag-time out.
Maliwanag ba? Maliwanag? Ayan, maliwanag ulit.
Oh, 14 shot clock, 37 seconds remaining. Jersey
Toto!
number 11 for 3. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pero steal by Pangilinan. 25 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9. 15 seconds.
Pangilinan.
5 to shoot.
Tototo!
5 seconds. Basa na lang.
Kunti.
Ayan
Ganda.
ang second quarter.
Ayan ang second quarter.
39-22. 17 points lead by Alriga.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter.
Yusuf, water sa table. Let's be in the third quarter.
Up next natin, iJump versus Premium Access.
Sabina ball.
Galing. Oh,
Jersey number 12.
ay, ang ganda ng galaw.
Oh, by jersey number 12.
Grabe naman.
Grabing footwork doon.
What a move. Dapat tubig-tubig. Tubig.
Jersey number 00 for 3. Shot. Ano napunta ang bola? Napunta. Bola kay jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 yan. Poster 7. Arroyo, black. 5. Jersey number 75.
Number 7.
For 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 75. Bando. With jersey number 00. With jersey number 8. Pula. Connect for 2. By jersey number 8.
Carlo Robles, shout out.
We just score 41-24. Back to 17-point lead by Alriga.
Number 8, Dennis Burgett. Pasok yan. 35-19.
Arroyo.
59 seconds.
Jersey
Arroyo!
number 12, Arroyo.
Diretso yun ha.
No good. Ayan, 3 point.
Aliero.
It's a rebound by jersey number 8. Robando. Robando ngayon.
Aliero.
There's a whistle who's foul. Jersey number 8, Saprep, Sap. Yun ang 8. Ay, lumabas.
Number 9.
Arroyo. Yung free throw niya, Pando. Wala. Jumpers ready.
Kason, wala na tayo shot clock kasi. Ito na si number 8, Silva. Number 8, side step. Julian.
Lumabas ang bola. Rebound by jersey number 12. That's the jersey number 7.
Sonalan, number 7, dribbling the ball.
That's ang bola. Saved by Abando. Abando ngayon. Driving layup. There's a whistle. May foul pa. So next.
And 1.
Counted foul yun. This foul jersey number 7. Let's see. First personal foul, second team foul. Arroyo. Sa bola.
May spread.
14 shot up.
Arroyo! Galing naman nun. Rebound ni number 8. Wala pa rin.
Rebound by jersey number 25 to jersey number 8. Pass break play. Looking for 2 point, jersey number 75. Wala. Boss, boss. Kamay na boss. Boss, wala pa.
Shooting for 2 there. Pasok na daw number 0. Pinalik si Silva. Itira na
Another 2 point. With jersey number 12.
number 10 for team Joko. Foul. Joko sa ilalim. Pinadali.
Abando. Ang naliwa. Oh, sub rep, sub.
Substitution na tayo.
Which will score 48-26. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Number 26 for team Castle. Number 26 na drop. Ang ganda na drop. Kasi number 16 sa ilalim. Good for to yan. What a nice pass from number 26 to number 16.
Number 11.
Jersey number 11. There's a whistle who's fouled. Jersey number
Number 37.
75. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 shot clock.
7. And to shoot. Ay, bata, mahirap yung ginawa. Bata, mahirap yung ginawa.
10 to shoot.
Moreno! Yes, sir!
Number 2 point.
Number 26 ako, payroll. Ako. Batas, pagbago yan. Bola na mabalik sa...
Kulyado!
Ano yun?
Emergency.
Bola. Good yun?
Not counted.
Wala na visa. Bola pa rin ang
Cool,
Alvida.
naka-ano na to? Naka-register na ako, tapos may nakalagay na kung ano. Microsoft.
14 shot
Pero
clock,
nasabit mo.
14.
Okay na. Pag nasabit mo.
Number 10, wala. Rebound number 8, number 77.
Pinasa sa labas, bola ng Sabina.
Ang mga tanga, wala.
Mga mechanics.
Ignore yan, di ba?
Sabi na.
Time, 5 minutes and 5 seconds for the third quarter.
Mechanics, airport. Kay Palmer? Kay
24. 14 shot clock.
Marami kasi yan sila.
Tira ni jersey number 24. Pass good play to jersey number 0.
Boy, lechon!
Libreng libre.
Ay, wala.
Rebound by
Madulas.
Bayabando. Connected 2 point. Bayabando. Jersey number 11. Wow,
Number
by
11.
jersey number 11. Sumabay pa si jersey number 25.
Naunahan lang sila kasi oh.
29-37.
Third.
Sa bola. Nasugod doon ni jersey number 11. Pero na-recover doon ni jersey number 00.
Ay, may bad pass
Pinasa
tayo
sa
doon.
labas. Sub-red, sub.
Bando.
Banto. Labas muna.
Sa'yo din doon, Joel? Kabila?
Dede. Ball district.
Balikan mo din yun, hindi?
Kroma.
Number 7.
Number 11.
Jersey number 11.
Gawad.
Still by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 75. Side step. Time out. By Sabina. Official score 52-30. 22 point lead.
Ay, kulot, ulay dupol.
By Arliga.
Ayaw magdula si mo. Ulay doon niya, ayaw magdula si mo. Lagi, kuhan makay na.
Kung klarong naungan na.
Ayun, tayo, bit. Ayaw maglaro, bakit? Ulay doon ni.
Pero sir,
Time na karoon si Kuhan.
0-3 na nga, Pel.
Ambot ka. Ulay naman niya, ayaw maglaro.
Back to the ball game.
Saan ang nawad eh? Anong araw yun?
Domingo.
Ay, August time eh, bakasyon ko. August 3. Ay, wala. 20. Dili, di po muli. Local.
There's a foul. May isa tayo. Foul rep. Jersey number 22. Second personal foul. Second team foul. May dalawang free throw doon. Si jersey number 8.
Shadow. Jabo. Wala. Sayang. Rebound na po rin number 30. Sulit ni Joko. Joko lang daw. Kilan versus Tiali.
Jumpers ready.
Kaso pinasa. Sayang yan.
Wala. Ibang by jersey number 11.
Sayang yun ngayon. Ito na
Si jersey number 25. Jersey number 9.
Morales.
Very good.
Rebound ni Moreno.
21. Sabina. Jersey number 21.
Moreno. Oy!
Ginelli, wala. Rebound by jersey number 7 to jersey number 21. To number 2 by jersey number 21. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Morales.
Jersey number 9, 32 points. 35-52. Which is score? 17. By Ariga. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Jersey number 11, pushing foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Sabrep.
Kaya nga eh. Sakir, lalo sakir yan. Diretso basketball.
Back to the ball game.
Bakot na
Number 12, Arroyo.
Arroyo. Wala. Sa kayo pa rin offensive rebound. Pass to jersey number 8. Nakasundot doon. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11.
Go! Nice yun!
Oh, wala. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 2. By jersey number 9.
Lunggo ba yan?
Ilonggo na?
Veterano na, sa una pa na.
Vicious score natin. 54. 35.
Punta na daw, punta na daw. Punta na daw.
Sayang na, lunggo. Sayang na.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. 14 shot clock. By the way, good. Nakabitaw ang bola.
Siyempre, shooter ka, sige.
Sab. O, sab, Brett.
Dato, sayang na. Shooter.
Ikaw na tabi. Ayaw pa. Inihap ko eh. Inihap na.
Sab.
Inihap na tayo po.
Shoutout kay Bong Revilla.
58 seconds.
Uy, pagbabalik.
Pangilina.
Pangilina.
Grabe naman yun.
Nakapasok lang. 3 points agad. 35 seconds.
Nakakapagod dyan. Silva! Perfect ako, Silva! Ito nangyari, pinagmalas.
Malapad.
25 seconds.
Column number 26.
30.
Number 26. First special goal. 17 goal.
Ano bola? Bola pa rin ang Liga. 14 shot clock. 20 seconds.
Score natin 22-31. Laman ng dalawa ang mga napag-urit.
15 seconds.
Ako sa court ay. Wala, cancel na. Wala ko yung duwa sa pikas.
5 seconds.
Aman. Mana? Namin sa bawah dito.
Number third quarter. 24. Shoutout
Goal shooter, 5'11", Alces.
Shoutout kay Dundon Tibiros ng Dubai, pero pag nakatalikod,
Shoutout sa referee, si...
wag lang humarap. Delikado.
Wag na. Cancel.
Tagahongkira.
Sungit o, cancel, wala na.
Shoutout sa mga tagahongkira.
Buwang.
Well, let's begin the fourth and final quarter.
All good?
Yes, 10
Up
minutos
next,
tayo.
iJump versus
No play?
Alriga Boys. Ay, Premium Access.
Iwag ang bola.
Dito ba siya gano'n?
Pangilinan. New jersey number 75, Palmer for 3. Wala, rebound, offensive rebound by Abando.
Tangina, laki ng short niya, Bando eh.
10 to shoot. Abando for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 8. There's a whistle who's foul. Jersey number 12, Arroyo.
Ha?
Tulog ka pa.
Arroyo. First personal foul. First team foul.
Grabe. Lakas ang lineup na dito.
Asa?
Kulado na dyan ba?
Sulit, naghahanap ng papasan. Binigay kay number 9. Number 9, gusto mag-guard. Kaya na nga.
Sa kanila pa rin. Bola! Fortuno, good rebound by jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 yan. Pinasa kay jersey number 8 sa Alriga. Si Pangilinan. Pangilinan.
Bawal niya.
Aliw pass. Wala. Pero doon si Abando. Pero nakapagsalit niya si Mr. Abando. Bola ng Sapina.
Running for penalty na dito ang team Carson. Number 13. Ako, pinapasta na kabago na si number 13.
Jersey number 27. Jimmy ball. Pass to Arroyo. Arroyo ngayon. Setting play.
Number 7, nakakalisot.
14 shot clock.
Nakakabigat, wait lang tayo.
Kasi sa ilalim pero merong foul doon. Who's foul? Jersey number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 shot clock.
Solid, pinasok.
Jersey number 27. Connect for 2 point.
Tayo sa 37 pumasok.
Alam mo na yan. Yung the ball. Alas by jersey number 24. Pass to Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Wait. Nice pass. Pero na short doon. Kanina na patang bola. Kay jersey number 24. Number 24.
Sa third quarter.
Goes to goal side step. Yes sir. Connect with 2 points by jersey number 24.
Saan team ka?
We shall score natin 39-59. Back to 20-point lead.
Pero okay. Kaya pala umalis yan.
Pangilinan. Tuwabando.
Tinignan lang
Palmer. Palmer ngayon.
Tinignan lang
Nice pass to jersey number 8. Pero short pa rin. Pero may foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 12. Arroyo. Second personal ball. Second team foul. May dalawang metro doon. Si jersey number 8.
Scan din natin 5. Sabi na scan din natin 5. Sabi na jersey nyo to dirab. Si GR.
Official score. Deadlock tayo sa 37.
Hindi ata maglaro.
Rebound by Arroyo. Arroyo ngayon.
Tabla.
Gusto Cos. Using body. With Palmer. Pass to jersey number 24. Malakas. Rebound by Jake Palmer. To Pangilinan. To jersey number 8. Wait. Good. Back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan ngayon. Umikot. Pass to jersey number 8 to Abando. Connect for 2 points by Abando. His official score 61-39. There's a foul.
Nahuli.
Jersey number 9 Pangilinan sa brep. Second personal foul, jersey number 09 Pangilinan. And second team foul.
Third stop to the ball with sir. Bola ng team.
Here's a
Hands
whistle.
po, hands
Red
po.
foul, jersey number 9.
Number 7.
Sinong 9 dyan? Inaabot
Aliya
O sub rep, sub. Second personal foul by jersey number 9 and third team foul. 14 shot clock. Arroyo. Pinasa. Sa labas.
All-star na injury.
Mukhang napapit na.
5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Hindi, basta si Medilig papayad lang.
Number 8, Silva. Silva, dito started.
Second game. Prepare na po. Verse number 25. Tupangilinan. Relax ang bola. Bola for 3. Shot. Dapat na bola kay Palmer. To Abando. Abando. Pinuko pero wala. Rebound by Arroyo.
First at the script, number 7.
Ano yan? Relax ang bola.
Second shot.
There's a whistle. Who's fouled? Jersey number 75. Warning for penalty ang Riga. 14 shot lang. Mamaya lang. Napasa na.
Anong nangyari? Nahilo siya.
Basket play to Abando. Abando. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 27. There's a foul. Spotted. Jersey number 9. Pangilinan. Third personal foul penalty. Sabret. Sab. Third personal foul by Pangilinan. May dalawang free throw si jersey number 27. Unang free throw, pasok. 40-61, 21 point lead by Alriga. Jumpers ready. Rebound by jersey number 25. Pass to Pangilinan. Pangilinan, step back for 2. Short. Mo time out by Alriga. Official score natin 61-30. 21 point lead by Alriga. 4 minutes and 9 seconds na sa ating fourth quarter.
Silva, Silva, may diskate. Ayun, pinagkakatatlo. Nawala yung bola. Number 10. Nandiyan na Pio. Kaso wala.
Back to the ball game.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Ating fourth and final quarter. 21 ang hinahabol ng Sabina.
Jersey number 7, pull up. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 25. Pass to Palmer. Palmer ngayon, ang pilis. Connect for 2 by Palmer. Jersey number 75. 63-40. Big defense ng Alriga. Pero na doon si jersey number 24. Connect for 2. Jersey number 24. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 33 minutes tayo. Takdak lang. Jersey number 9. Connect for 2. There's a foul. Jersey number 11. Penalty.
Bang grupo yan sila.
Third personal foul by jersey number 11.
First at the Silva, pasok yan.
Wala. Stop the clock tayo. 3 minutes.
Second shot.
2 minutes ba?
Pasok.
Sabi ni
Puputo na naman yan.
3 daw, 3 daw. 3 minutes.
Sa pwede sinabi.
Jersey number 9 and 1. Who's foul?
Tata! Pupunta natin.
Jersey number 11.
Ay, nako, Tata.
First personal foul.
Mahirap din.
Third rebound. Bonus shot. Jumpers ready. Wala. Follow up by jersey number 75. Wala, pero nandun si jersey number 11. Si jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. Nice pass.
Ganda naman ang.
9. Connect for 2.
Wala yung pinag isulit. Ito si number 26 siya, no? Pass break. Ito number 12.
Ano yun? Kaninang bola?
Kalabas ko iisip yan.
Bola pa rin ng Sabina. Sabina po. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 ngayon.
15%, dalawa pa.
14 shot clock. Hey,
Grabe, man.
nice pass. Pero wala, rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 24. Last 2 minutes. May kickball tayo doon. Sabret.
Apple ng puti, ng green. Yung kabila, tatlo. Tira to. Ito na, magugulat, dumadating na.
Wala. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Still. By jersey number 11. Counter steal din pero out of bounds by Palmer. Bola ng Sabina. Sabret.
1 minute and 34. 4-69. 27.
14 shot lang.
Hey! Ayan, pass breaking kay Keho. Ayan na nga. Nako.
Jersey number 8. Connect for 2 point.
Kanya ulit. Nakabilan.
44-69 official score. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Second game, prepare na po. Ito ba? Pero bola na Sabina. Ayun bola sa Sabina. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pass break play pero steal by Palmer. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
At public, nakita sa
14 shot clock. Jersey number 25. Connect for 2 point.
Colyado.
number 8.
58 seconds.
Wala! Nako, umawa pala.
Jersey number 11.
Bang!
Three by jersey number 11. 50 seconds.
Walang kupas.
45 seconds. 40. 10 to shoot. Pasok. 30 seconds.
Black team and number
25 seconds.
number 8, third personal foul, and number 7.
Jersey number 8. No good.
Personal foul.
There's a foul. Jersey number
Black team.
75. Penalty.
26. Ako pala.
Ganun yun.
26 sa number 9.
Third personal foul. Jersey number 75.
Crossover! Sabay angat! Grabe naman yan. Kailan pumasok.
No free throw. Pasok.
Si Sudin.
47-74. 27 point lead. 16 seconds. Jumpers waiting. Connect. 15 seconds.
Alejo. Susulit.
Oh, relax na lang.
Congratulations, Alriga Boys.
Talent number